friends, today I'm going to tell how the clutch is working. Before going to the topic, how the cycle is working, I will tell how the cycle is working. How does the cycle is working? When the pressure is applied from the leg, this rotor is rotating. Make use of chain. Back wheel is rotating. Make use of back wheel. The front wheel is also rotating, isn't it? Like that. Here in cycle, by the manual force. Pedal is rotating, that is rotating disc is rotating. In bike, how can we do without man force or else without leg? Because engine is we are using instead of manual work. That's why I'm going to tell how it is working. Let's see, friends. Here it is the bike, right? When the petrol tank is present, here petrol is flow from petrol tank to engine. In that engine, uh, whatever the four stroke is happen. Now once the four stroke is happen, every time crankshaft is rotated. Make use of crankshaft. Engine gear is rotating. Engine gear is assembled. For this engine gear is assembled, what is the use of engine gear is a big use of, because in order to increase the speed or decrease the speed, that's why we are using the gear system. Whatever the clutch crankshaft is rotating, it is assembled, it is coupled by a gear system. Why it is coupled by a gear system? Because of in order to speed increase or decrease or torque increase, whenever the bike is moved to the up surface, on that time torque is more required. That's why for the first gear, the gear is um, the gear weight is less compared to the uh, drive shaft. This is the drive shaft. This is the driven shaft. Understand? Like the first gear is like the fourth gear is that is the same size. Whatever what I am telling, what I am going to tell. The fourth gear is the same size. What is driver and driver gear is always they should be the same gear. Because in order to release or engaging, the clutch is using whatever the clutch. This is the clutch is using. Make use of that one. Whatever the engines, whatever engine cross engine, whatever the crankshaft is rotating by the engine, the make use of that one engine. The clutch system is working depending upon the gear system. See what See, this is the clutch. Already I told clutch is a mechanism which engage and disengage the power transfer. That means the power transmission, that is the gear system. Whatever the driven shaft means or driving shaft means crankshaft. Here I am showing the animation here. See, whenever the uh, crankshaft is on that time, see friends, carefully observe. See, whenever the is on that time, the clutch system is not at all working. When the clutch is released on that time, released on that time, only crankshaft is rotating. On that time, shifting of the gear is happening. Whenever the engine on that time, both clutch gear system as well the crankshaft is rotating, like the principle we are using. Now I am going to show how the CD100 and as well as the passion pro. Now I am this is the clutch system, friends. What I am showing, this is what I am highlighting. This is the releasing, disengaging and engaging the gear system. This one, because depending upon the design from the manufacturer, uh, they segregate the design. This is for the CD100 and this is for the passion pro. Whatever depending upon the vehicle and depending upon the vehicle design. See what I am showing now. That's how to change, as well as I will show. See friends, and during Corona time, my CD100 clutch wire is broken. That's why I'm taking a board from my friend. Now I'm changing the braking wire. That means clutch wire. What I need to say. I remove the clutch wire. Then I'm inserting the new one. Once I'm inserting the new one, just I'm inserting the new one. See how I need to insert. Just see how I inserting. Just plug into that one clutch brake. After once you insert it, take and do that what I'm shown on that before to the assembly. And this is not the perfect assembly of the CD100. Just I'm showing because the wire is not at all same. That's why I'm cutting down the wire. Just adjusting the wire because I'm not at all getting the exact wire of the cylinder. That's why I'm taking one more wire. Just I'm adjusting that wire with that. Just I'm cutting with that wire and plugging into that assembly. um, what I shown that is the locking and is engaging because with use of brake system, spring system, yeah, it is operating. Just I'm inserting the wire into that knot. After once I inserting the knot, just I'm fitting that wire. Better to make sure whether the nuts are tightened or not. If it's not, and definitely it will be brake failure or the clutch failure should be happen on that time. That's why better to be careful while tightening the screw. Once you tighten the all the screw, just check whether it is engaged disconnect correctly. Yeah, now it is working correctly because check once whether it is properly connected or not. Once you connect it properly, I started the light.